Wow, it is so big! It looks like a giant castle. Yes, it is very big. There are many things inside. Wow. We can find anything we need here. I love coming to the supermarket with you, Mommy. Leo, please look at me and listen very carefully. Today is a very special day for our family. You have a secret mission to complete all by yourself. A secret mission! Am I a superhero today? Yes, you are my brave little superhero today. Are you ready for your big mission, Leo? Yes, Mommy, I'm ready. Yes, I am ready. What do I need to do? Here's the list, sweetheart. Yay! Thank you, Mommy. And here is your very important shopping list. Let me look at the paper. What is on the list? I see one picture here, and 2 pictures, and 3 pictures on this piece of paper. That is right. What is the first thing we need? First, pasta. The first picture is a big, round, red apple. Good job, Leo. What is the second thing on the list? The second picture is a box of fresh, cold milk. And what is the last thing you need to find? The last picture is a long loaf of soft bread. Okay, sweetie, here's our list. Let's find everything together. Yay, Mommy! You need to find the apple, the milk, and the bread. I will wait for you right here by the door. Do not talk to strangers, and be very careful. Okay, Mommy. I will be very careful. Do not worry. I will find everything and come back to you very soon. Where are the fresh apples? Yes. Apples are fruits. I need to find the fruit section. Woo! Look at all those colors over there. I see yellow bananas, green grapes, and orange carrots. Oh, there they are. I see the shiny red apples. They look so delicious and sweet. But wait, they are on the very top shelf. The shelf is so high, and I am so small. I cannot reach the apples. What should I do now? Let me stand on my toes and try to reach them. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh no, I still cannot reach them. 1, 2, 3, jump! Ouch, I missed it. I almost had it. Just one more try. I need someone tall to help me get the apple. Who can I ask for help in the supermarket? Look, there is a tall man wearing a green shirt. He works here in the supermarket. He can help me. Oh, he is busy. He did not hear my voice. I need to take a deep breath and speak louder. Excuse me, sir. Can you please help me?
Oh, hello there, little guy. I did not see you. How can I help you on this beautiful morning?
I need to buy 1 red apple for my mommy. I can definitely help you with that, little one. The apples are too high. I cannot reach them.
Don't worry, Leo. I'll get them for you. No problem, little man. I'll get those apples for you.
Thank you.
Oh, I see. That shelf is very high indeed. Let me reach up and get the best apple for you. Here is a big, shiny red apple for your basket.
Oh, wow, thank you. Wow, it is perfect. Thank you very much for your help, sir.
You are very welcome, little superhero. Have a great day shopping.
You too, sir. Goodbye. Now, what is next on my list? Now, I need to find the cold milk. There it is. Milk is usually in the big refrigerators. Let me walk down this long aisle. Wait a minute. What are all these colorful boxes? Oh, wow. This is the toy section. Oh, wow. This is the toy section. Look at that big, shiny robot toy. Whoa! It has flashing red eyes and silver arms. Wow! It has flashing red eyes and silver arms. I really want to play with this robot. But wait! Mommy is waiting for me. Okay, secret mission checklist. Toys. Snacks. Got it. Well, Whoop-die! I must be brave and finish my job first. Goodbye, robot. I will see you next time. Excuse me, ma'am. Where is the milk, please? It's right here, dear.
Go straight ahead and turn left, little boy.
Go straight and turn left. Thank you.
Oh, bless his heart. What a sweet boy.
Ah, here is the cold milk. 1 box for me. Okay, that's done. Now, I just need the soft bread. I can smell the fresh bread from here. It smells so good and warm. Here is the bakery. I see the long bread. I have the apple, the milk, and the bread. My shopping basket is full and heavy now. It is time to go to the cashier. Okay, I've got everything.
Great job, little shopper. Let's get these scanned for you.
Let me put my items on the black belt. Apple. 1 box of milk. 1 loaf of bread.
Hello there. Are you shopping all by yourself?
Yes, I am. I am on a secret mission.
Oh, are you? That'll be $35, please. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. That is very impressive. Let me scan your items. That is very impressive. Let me scan your items. Beep, beep, beep. That will be $5, please. Beep, beep, beep. That will be $5, please. Thank you.
Here is the money my mommy gave me. Here is the money my mommy gave me. Why, thank you. That's very kind of you.
Thank you. And here is your change.
Thank you.
And here is your change.
Thank you. Have a nice day. I have some coins left in my hand. Oh, look at those beautiful flowers near the door. I want to buy 1 small red rose. Here is the money for the rose. Thank you. I see Mommy. Ta-da! This beautiful red flower is for you. Yes, here is the apple, the milk, and the bread.
Oh, you found them all, Leo. Good job. I am so proud of you, my brave little boy.
And I have a surprise for you.
Oh my goodness, Leo. You are so sweet. Thank you so much. Give me a big hug.
I love you, Mommy. Mission accomplished.
Did you enjoy our little shopping story today? What did Leo buy at the supermarket? Tell me below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next adventure. Goodbye!